Marriage issues and mental health concerns are throwing a wrench in the court plans concerning Robert Dew, the Covington city worker accused of stealing $600,000.
Well, there are questions tonight where Covington's former finance director will stay after he is released from a northern Kentucky hospital.
That detail emerged as a scheduled court hearing on criminal charges was continued until tomorrow. 9 on Your Side reporter Tom McKee is live in Covington with this developing information. Tom?
Well, Clyde, of course, this all stems from Robert Dew's alleged embezzlement of $600,000 in city funds, as you said. It's what prompted the criminal charges against him. It's what cost him his job. He was due here in Kenton District Court this afternoon for that hearing, but he didn't show up because he's still recovering, still in the hospital from an attempt on his own life. When Robert Dew first appeared in criminal court, he was released only if he could be electronically monitored at his Independence home. That was before his attempted suicide, which still has him hospitalized. Dew will be out of the hospital Wednesday, according to his attorney Tim Schneider, and is expected to be at his preliminary hearing. However, a question was raised to Judge Douglas Grotehouse on whether Dew will be able to stay on home incarceration.
My only concern is there's some question mark about whether or not the marital relationship is broken down to the point that he's not going to have a residence to be set up at home incarceration.
I know of no information that would indicate that the marital relationship is broken down to that extent. I will certainly be prepared to address that issue tomorrow.
What I'm more concerned about is if that's true, what's it going to do to his mental health status again?
Kenton County Commonwealth Attorney Rob Sanders says he may ask for the court to reconsider Dew's bond once the issue of where he can live is addressed.
Certainly nobody in the court system wants to see any defendant harm themselves because of things going on in the courthouse. It's never worthy of that. That anything that happens here, you know, there's crime and there's punishment. People pay for it every day, but we don't want to see anybody harm themselves.
Now, coming up new at 6, there were developments in the civil case against Dew as well, plus new information obtained in these search warrants. I'll have what they say coming up at 6. Tom McKee, 9 on Your Side, live in Covington.